How to contact Instagram customer service. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to contact Instagram customer service. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you're experiencing some issues or getting some errors with Instagram, say when you're uploading pictures or trying to send people messages, and you want to contact Instagram to be able to help fix a problem, what you need to do is, of course, go into the Instagram app and then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the page. Once in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner, the three little lines. And then on the next menu, tap on settings. Now on this menu, tap on the option that says help. And then the top option is report a problem. So tap on that one. So here it says you can shake your phone to report a problem. So shaking your phone where you notice a problem will help us find it quickly. And then you can click OK on that. And as you can see down at the bottom, it's toggled on. So if I go back and whenever I'm having a problem, I can shake the phone and it will actually report the problem to Instagram. But if you want to report the problem without shaking your phone, there's the option to do that as well. So just tap on that option. As you can see, it says preparing a bug report. And then on this next screen, you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you just type in there a little message about what's gone wrong or what's not working properly. You're able to take a screenshot if you would like, and then hit next, and then that will report the problem to Instagram. So that's all it takes to contact the Instagram customer service. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.